Hey guys, and welcome back to another food review, and this time I have the Laffy Taffy 2-flavor mystery swirl. I'm going to read the jokes for your entertainment, even though they're probably not going to be funny. What fish swims in the sky? This is from Jasmine P. Starfish. And then, what do ghosts like on their roast beef? From Taylor B. Grave E. Okay. Yeah, as I said, not funny. So let's open this Laffy Taffy up. Okay. It's a 2-flavor mystery swirl. Thought this would be interesting to try. Costs, apparently it's three. Apparently get 3 for 99 cents. It's hard to get open. Open sesame. Sorry, it's hard to get this Laffy Taffy open. Hold on. Maybe I can try to open it from the other side. Plus, it doesn't help because my hands are sweaty. Sorry if I had to get that image in your head. Let's see. Okay. I think it's a mystery swirl according to the... Okay. Yeah. That is green apple. I really want to try. I really want this to open, but for some reason it's not opening for me. Okay. Okay, I'm opening it better now. I really want to get a good taste of this. I can definitely taste the 2 flavors. I know one is green apple, but I don't know what the other one is. I really want to know. I'm just going to try to extract it. See if that works. I think what I'm doing is making it worse. I don't know for sure, but this may be a fail. First ever fail. But, all I know is that one of the flavors is green apple. That's all I know. I would get scissors to cut it open, but, I don't really edit food reviews. So, there we go. I'm going to take one of my other candies I'm supposed to review and try to flatten it out. See if I can get more of it out. Wrong side. I'm really sorry. I really am. This is supposed to be for a future food review. Or like a future review of Candy Week. Did I mention that this is the 3rd review of Candy Week? I think that's the best I can do. You can find out what the 2nd flavor is for yourself. If it's all the same flavor, but there could be different flavors. I'm not too sure. But, all I know is that one of the flavors for sure is green apple. So, it's Laffy Taffy, basically. And overall, I give this a 4.5 out of 5. And I will see you guys in the next food review or video. Peace.